Hello and welcome to Pro Club workshop at Photigy School of Photography. This time we'll be shooting the chocolate bar and it will be an explosion. So this is something cool that, I made quite extensive route to get the shot the way that we wanted, and you will have over 1 hour of the shooting time in the studio on this workshop and about 3 hours of post-production from Artem Pissarevskiy, from our post-production guru. And this is a quite serious post-production work to get from this to this. And we started from the concept, we developed the idea, I made the props, I made a special support for the bar, and I spent tons of time in the studio, basically messing up with caramel, with chocolate and everything in between. This is a quite amazing workshop, I'm sure you're going to love it. As usual, you have 2 weeks to do something similar and submit your homework for the review and critique that we're going to do online in 2 weeks. With Artem Pissarevskiy, we'll sit and review images that you're going to submit, okay? If you're not in Pro Club yet, you're welcome to join us any day, anytime. There is no long-term commitment. You can cancel it anytime. You can go with month by month, monthly subscription or annual subscription. We are the best online school to learn product photography, especially product photography that are creative, that are unusual, and something that will bring joy to your life, if you love photography, of course. See you on this workshop. Prepare your homework if you want to get a professional review, and let's go from there. Wish you good luck. Goodbye.